So this is where it's starting. We are going in here to pick up the truck that we just bought. This guy right here. Yeah. He's very nervous and anxious. I think we both are. It's part of this whole process. Are you ready for it?
Well, we got a choice. We're already committed. We paid for it. I just hope we don't keep paying for it.
Okay. And there's the guy we bought it off of.
That guy there.
And we are trying not to make everybody sick as you bounce up and down. Cut through the fuel island. Come on, make it fast. Let's go.
Gas and
Cut off the oversize. Yep, there you go. I'm just kidding. Don't cut off anybody.
We don't drive like a personal car. Only rentals.
Mario and Andretti going through the parking lot.
Well, there's Mario and Jetty's crew chief right there.
Yeah. All right, where is it at?
Pick one.
No, we're not pickers.
Give me a hint. It's silver.
Silver? Silver like the van. We got a red line up down there. There it is. So you guys got to hear the start. Come on, Daddy, let's get this done. Hey, is that a smile?
I don't know. Is it? I can't feel my face.
Hey guys, this is it. This is where it's beginning. We're starting. Whew, a little nervous. This is our responsibility now. That window's dirty. And here goes the Detroit 60 Series. I like it. It's a starter truck. Be able to show you the things that we're able to do as we go. But here it goes. For the next one.